On March 3rd, 2023, an incident occurred in Orlando, where a woman was found with her car stuck in a ditch and smelling strongly of alcohol. According to her statement, she was trying to find her husband at a campsite, but was misdirected by the GPS.
What happened?
I don't know, you tell me.
Hi, Roseanne.
Well, we weren't here.
Well, how did your car end up like that?
Trying to turn around and find my husband's campground.
Okay.
We came up with friends and stuff, and I'm totally confused. That's all I was.
So you were trying to turn around and just missed the
Yeah,
driver?
I was trying to, basically, yeah. I'm trying to find him. He's with some friends. They picked him up a few days ago. They got a new rig. It's in, hold on, Contemporary RV Resort is where they are. And that's where I kept asking my thing to take me, my
Your GPS?
and it just keeps freaking up.
Okay.
But I keep trying to find him because that's it. I mean, he wanted me to come pick him up because he's been with them for 3 days. The guys went pick up our new RV and everything. So it's like a brand new thing, and he was ready to come home.
What were you doing prior to coming to meet or pick up your husband?
Nothing. I just
Nothing? Well, you look dressed up. I'm just wondering.
Well, I always try.
Oh, you always dress up? Okay.
I'm sorry. I'm not used to look. I always try to look my best.
Okay.
But the point is, no. You want to know what I was doing? Scrubbing out my back, what do you call it? Screen board and everything. Scrubbed to the max. Reorganizing, redirecting, all this crap because I'm redecorating, the whole thing. So spent a small fortune on stuff. I have paper guy coming. I have a lot. And my husband's fabulous because he's let me do it. And it's cost a lot of money, but he's happy. He's okay. It's like my wife's happy, I'm happy. And that's it. That's all it is. There's nothing. Do you understand? It's just good.
When the police approached, the woman refused to cooperate, argued, and challenged the request for a sobriety test, complicating the investigation and displaying a lack of responsibility. The accident is believed to have been caused by her losing control after drinking alcohol, compounded by panic when an unfamiliar man appeared.
But I know one thing is I wasn't alone in the car. There was a guy.
You weren't alone in the car?
There's a guy that jumped in all of a sudden. A black guy that I'm not racist. That's all last thing. But all of a sudden he said I hit his car. What I'm saying is I was intimidated. Okay?
When was that?
But that's not the important thing is I was screwed up. Okay? I know it. I did.
That's fine.
I was always trying to find my husband. I'm so tired.
Okay. Well,
And I'm so angry at myself because it's stupid. God, I'm asleep. But he was very adamant in my face, and that's what scared me. Like I said, I don't know 1,000. I don't know. All I'm saying that's all. So
it was just you driving though? It was just you in the car alone?
still he on it.
I'm saying when you crashed, was it just you or were there other people in the car?
I think he was there, but
How do you not, was it just you in the car or were there other people in the car at the time you crashed?
there was another guy. I'm telling you.
Okay.
I don't know for sure. That's not a crash. Is that a crash?
Yeah, your car's in a ditch, that's a crash.
Can you walk over here with us? You all right?
I'm fine. I'm exhausted.
You're exhausted.
Okay,
huh?
over here.
Right over here.
You need to hold my hand?
She was unable to provide a clear explanation and lost the ability to perceive accurately, which increased the risk of a more serious accident. This serves as a strong reminder for everyone to be more responsible when participating in traffic.
You got it? You're walking sideways a little bit, okay? Over there.
I'm walking on the line.
Okay, over here. We're not.
Where do you want me to go?
Oh, we'll follow the officer. Come on, over here.
If I don't see him.
All right, well,
Hello.
Hello. We meet again.
I'm not.
So, obviously our crash investigation is completed at this point, okay? I'm now conducting an investigation into the DUI, okay? I'm going to read something to you before I talk to you anymore.
What are you going to do to me?
Well, let me read this to you.
It's not DUI.
Let me read this to you.
Read. Tell me.
I'm going to. Let me read this first.
No. I want to hear the truth.
ma'am, let him read
Let me read
something
this,
to you.
and then I'm going to tell you what I'm going to ask you to do, okay? Okay. Have you ever had your rights read to you before?
What?
Have you ever had your rights read to you before?
No.
Okay. So I'm going to read your rights so that you understand what your rights as a citizen are before I talk to you any further, okay? You have a right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law.
Okay.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have it present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to execute these rights, not answer any questions, or make any statements. You understand each of these rights as I've explained them to you.
Yes.
Having those rights in mind, do you wish to speak with me?
Wish to speak with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, got a good joke?
What's that?
Got a good joke?
No, I don't have any good jokes right now.
Sorry. All right. What do you got for me?
You're willing to talk to me?
Sure. Why not?
Okay. So obviously you've been involved in a crash.
I have no idea. Okay.
Well, you told me you were trying to get back to
Trying to find my husband.
trying to find your husband, and your GPS took you over here, and you ended up off the road.
Yes.
Right?
All right. Yes.
Okay. Where were you at before you got in your car to drive?
Home.
You were home. Where's
Yeah.
home?
Arbor Lakes.
Arbor Lakes.
Yeah. And okay. Can I explain the whole thing without you?
Yeah.
Cutting me off? Okay. The thing is, our friend wanted Paul to go.
The woman's excuses were merely a cover for her dangerous behavior of drinking and driving. Everyone should be mindful of taking care of their own health and ensuring the safety of the community. Act responsibly rather than letting a lack of clarity endanger yourself and those around you.
Line, okay?
After you.
I don't want you to walk on the line because it's a little
After you.
I'm going to explain it and demonstrate
Oh,
it to
no,
you.
no, no. After you.
You're too busy.
Show me.
You're too busy trying to have something to say rather than listening to me.
No, I'll just go for my right. I would like you to show me exactly what you want me to do.
I'm going to explain it and demonstrate it to you
Good. Explain.
before I have you do the exercise.
Do it.
Okay?
Show me.
Okay.
Show me, little boy. Show me.
The first I'm a grown man. I'm not a little boy.
Yeah, well, you're acting like. Show me. Prove you're a man. Do it.
I'm going to.
Okay.
Stop talking. I'll start. Are you done?
Hell yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead,
I
boo-boo.
need you to place your left foot right here next to this blue line.
No, see, it's not about me.
It is about you.
I'm
That's why we're
asking
here.
you to do it.
And I'm going to.
Yeah, when?
I need you to place your left foot
No,
next to that
fuck
blue line.
no.
Okay.
You basically want me.
Okay, listen to me.
No,
I'm not going to
you're
argue.
lying. Go ahead.
Place your left foot next to the blue line for me, please.
And where's
Next
yours?
to it, not on it.
Where's your left leg?
Put your left foot next to it, not on it.
Hell no.
Put your left foot next to it, not on
Until
it.
you do it, no.
And every time I approach you to put you in handcuffs, you do what I tell you. I'm not going to do this all
Fucking do
night.
what you want. You're a liar. You're deceitful.
Okay.
And you're
Can you
bullshit.
put your left foot next to the line for me, please, ma'am?
No, no. Show me. You do it. You. If you don't show me first. Show me as an example.
Put your hands
Show
behind your
me
back.
as an example, you piece of crap. You know what?
You're being
Stop
placed under arrest
resisting.
for driving under the influence.
Harassment. Big time. You didn't demonstrate nothing. You didn't demonstrate jack shit.
Okay.
Yeah, I really deserve. For what? For what the hell? You piece of crap. Why? Because it challenged you?
Stop.
You're
Stand right
such
here.
a fucking weenie.
Stand right here.
The police stopped the woman's car for speeding as she was driving at 49 miles per hour in a 40 miles per hour zone. After stopping the vehicle, the police discovered that the car did not have valid registration and the insurance and registration documents were not available for inspection.
Are you from Texas? Is that why there's a Texas temp tag on the car?
I'm not from Texas. I just moved down here recently.
Okay. Did you buy the car in Texas?
No, New York.
Okay. Do you have the registration?
No, I don't have none of that. I left it in my house.
Okay. Do you have the insurance card?
No.
Nope. Okay. Is this your vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. Where did you purchase it out of?
In New York.
In New York? Okay. So the temp tag's from New York? That's on it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because nothing's coming back for it.
Okay. And
So you have to have a valid tag on a vehicle to drive it. So I'm just trying to figure out why the tag isn't coming back out of New York.
so my
It's showing
my
that.
car?
hmm
How exactly?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. So that's why I was making sure you said New York, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Just give me a second.
FCIC clear. Tag not found.
Ma'am, stay in your car.
Did you guys take my
Sit back down.
temporary tag from my car?
Sit back down.
Okay, I just want to make sure. No, I just want to make sure.
Do you have any paperwork on the car?
Don't worry about it. I have stuff. You see the tag right
Yeah.
there?
It's not coming back to the car. That's why we're asking.
It's my car though. It's coming to the car. It's gonna come to the car.
How long have you had the car? How long have you had the car?
I had my car maybe 3 years. Maybe 3 years.
And you still have a temp tag? Why do you have a temp tag if you've had it for so long?
Because I just been getting a temp tag.
Okay. Usually you get a temp tag when the car's new.
Okay.
Why is it if you got the car did you come from New York or you got the car in New York?
Both.
Okay. Well, how did you end up with a Texas temp tag?
I just got it.
From
Temporary black.
from where did you get it though?
From somewhere.
During the exchange, the police continued to check the license plate and discovered that the woman had not been truthful in her statements. This highlights that understanding traffic regulations and having valid documents are the minimum requirements when participating in traffic.
Hi.
Your car used to be registered in New York before you moved here?
Of course.
Okay. And what happened to that tag?
I had to let it go.
Usually you can move here with the tag.
Okay.
So why'd you have to let it go?
Because I did it.
Did what?
I let it go.
So you drove it here with no tag?
I drove it with a tag.
The New York tag? Which tag?
Whatever tag I had.
Which is what?
Why are you asking me so many questions like that?
I'm asking the same question, but you're not answering the question. So
But
I'm trying to rephrase
honestly
it a different
speaking,
way.
why are you asking me about my tag though?
Because you had a New York tag, and people don't usually give away good tags. So I was asking what happened to that good tag that you had from New York.
All right, I just let it go.
Do you mind stepping out of the vehicle for me real quick?
I don't have no shoes.
That's okay. We're in Florida.
I
that's
don't
fine.
know. I high heels.
I don't blame you. Just come in the back of the vehicle, okay? So what's going on is when I run the car, I put in completely different tag. So it's coming back to a KWK 9300. It states that it was suspended back in New York, and that your New York driver's license obviously is expired, okay? This tag comes back to absolutely nothing. I've run it out of Texas because it's saying it's a Texas permit, and I've run it out of New York. Absolutely nothing.
Wait, hold on. You talking about my license? It's
The New York one.
All right,
This one's fine.
All right, that's what I'm saying.
So,
okay.
So,
What's up?
because this comes back to nothing and it's showing that the original tag is completely suspended,
It makes no sense.
but you can't provide anything, so as of right now, it's an unregistered vehicle.
It makes no sense. All right, give me a second. Let me see.
Yeah.
If
Wait, just hold on.
Hey,
Just
hey.
hold on for a sec.
Hold on.
Hold on for
Let me
one
see
sec.
if I find something in my glove compartment.
Registration?
Give me a
Okay.
second. Give me a second.
And you don't know where you got this tag?
Give me a second. I don't. I got it from.
This incident highlights the importance of complying with registration and vehicle document regulations. Small mistakes, such as lacking valid documents, can lead to major issues, and dishonesty only complicates the situation. Cooperation with the authorities is necessary to avoid undesirable consequences.
No,
It doesn't belong to your car.
it does belong to my car because it is from my car. I had it for a very long time. So I suggest you give me my tag.
I asked you
No.
about the tag.
All right, so there you go. Can you give me my tag?
Turn around and talk with her.
Give me the tag for my car.
Ma'am,
Okay. The tag's on your car. Now talk to her.
Okay.
no. Ma'am, we're not.
Excuse me. Uh huh.
So the tag comes back to nothing, regardless.
It's still on the money.
I understand.
Yes, it is.
But the only thing that's coming under your name is the other tag that was on this vehicle. This
is
literally comes back to nothing.
Okay.
KWK 9300 is what is registered to this vehicle. That is
This
coming
is-
back to nothing.
Are you
Going back to
kidding
nothing.
me?
It's coming back to absolutely nothing. I ran it multiple times out of Texas and New York trying to help you out. It's coming back to nothing.
You really gotta be kidding me right now.
Again, it's coming back to nothing.
This is my tag.
Yep, but ma'am,
on my
guess what?
car.
This deputy's giving you a break.
I'm
She's
giving you
cutting you a
a
break.
I could be taken
Okay,
to jail.
so-
You're not going to
So,
jail,
All
but
right,
you
so
need to
why you
provide that
telling me,
information.
though? Yeah,
Would you let me
over here
talk?
telling me all of
Would
this
you let me
stuff.
talk?
All right, so
I'm trying to explain to you what's going
Uh-huh.
on. Okay?
then
So, I'm giving you a notice to appear. It's
Uh-huh.
a ticket. It's you have to go to court on this instead of me physically arresting you.
Okay.
Because this is a criminal charge. Okay?
Okay.
So I just need your signature on that, and I'm not giving you a ticket for the speed.
for speed for what?
I stopped you for speeding.
Oh my God.
She's giving you a warning for speed.
I'm giving you
No
a warning
ticket.
for that instead of a ticket, on top of everything else.
I wasn't even. You see that I was picking up my
All right,
kids
regardless, we're not
right
talking
here.
about
All right, we're just gonna get this done.
that. Yep. Where's the signature?
Signature for what again?
So
Signing
Okay.
that you're getting a ticket.
I'm providing you this
For-
notice to appear instead of you physically going to jail.
Uh-huh.
I need your signature on it, and if you do
For-
not sign,
For
you will be going to jail. It's just providing that you got this notice to appear to go to court.
for.
The unregistered vehicle.
Okay, I'm registered, but this is.
Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This will help motivate me to create more interesting videos. Thank you so much.